Hey, John Sonmez from SimpleProgrammer.com. So I've got actually a short question today, so I'm going to actually read this email. It is from James. I won't say his last name just in case, but he says, "Hello, Mr. Sonmez. Your videos and blogs have really inspired me to pursue my dream of becoming a mobile developer, but I have a few questions. I was wondering where to start as I'm 18 and all that I know is HTML. Should I go to college to learn how to program? Should I go to coding school? When would be the right time to start marketing myself, and in which ways? I know these are a lot of questions, but you've really inspired me and I really look up to you. Thank you for your time." So, oh man, to be 18 and trying to make decisions about your entire life. What do you do? So I've got an optimal path that I think that I would pick for you, for most 18-year-olds in your situation, which would be, and this is going to be a little bit controversial, but hear me out before you shut off the video, is go to coding school first if you can afford it, right? Especially if you can get someone to pay for it for you, go to the coding school. That's going to get you starting programming right away and hopefully get you a job right away. Go and take that job and then go to college part-time while you're doing that job. Going to be hard, going to be tough for a while, but you're not going to waste any time in your career, and you're going to be making sure that you cover that degree base. You don't necessarily need a degree in software development if you're good, but getting started out without one is difficult, and climbing up the ladder, especially the corporate ladder, very high without one is very difficult. So you might as well get the degree. It's going to take you some time to do, but you can do it part-time while you're working. That's the best bet, and you're getting paid to do it because you have a good job because you went to coding school. Hey, if you can do that road, that's the road that I would actually recommend, rather than just going straight to college, accumulating student debt potentially, right? It's harder. It's definitely harder, right? It's hard to hold a full-time job and learn in college and do other things. You miss out on the college lifestyle, which is kind of a fun time in your life, but you'll be setting yourself up better for your career. So that's what I would actually recommend. If you can't go that road, then probably the next thing I would recommend is just going straight to college, because that's a safe kind of bet way. I'm not going to really recommend that someone doesn't go to college unless they, if you have the I have to be an entrepreneur type of thing, then go for it. But if you're not already having jobs in software development, you're not already having apps in the App Store and things like that, then going college route is a safe road. It doesn't mean that you have to go down the road everyone travels and everything. You can make decisions later, but it's a good solid base. Hey, complete your college early if you can. Do it in 3 years, or take extra. Just focus. Make sure you do a good job. Make sure you're there actually learning, and not just getting a piece of paper, right? You can apply yourself and learn as much as possible. Make connections. Use it as an opportunity, and don't go too far into debt. So that's kind of my second route. And then, the third route, you could go the coding school route instead of college as well, but you're eventually going to want to go back and get the degree, I think. It depends on where you want to go with your career and things, but if you're going for a corporate type of world career, if you're planning on going that road, then college degree is really going to be helpful. Just make sure you actually learn. So now, with that said, I'll answer the next question. When would be the right time to start marketing myself, and in which ways? Right now, in all ways. Just start a blog, start documenting your process. Ask this question and your thoughts about it on the blog, and post as much as you can as you're going through this process. Make it public. Try to pick a niche and whatever, and try to it's a long tail, right? So it's going to take like 4 or 5 years to get traction if you start a blog today, to get real traction, especially without experience and reputation. So you got to start laying this groundwork today. Start familiarizing yourself with this lay of the land of marketing yourself. Do it. It's going to be beneficial to you. Like I said, the earlier you start, the better it's going to be, and especially if you're later on when you need it more, it's going to be there for you to establish yourself. So that's really it. I think that's pretty much my it's going to be a short video today. So yeah, like I said, best choice, coding school then college, I think. And you know, just make sure that you apply yourself, work hard. You know, my advice on building up a portfolio applies either way. If you want to be a mobile developer, start developing mobile apps right away, right now, regardless of the other decision. Well, good luck. Thanks for watching my videos and for reading my blog. Really appreciate it. I'm glad that I'm reaching some young people out there, and I wish you well. Take care. And if you're watching this video and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.